Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny Punjabi and I am a real estate consultant in Andheri West. So today we have come to see a 2 BHK flat which is on rent in DN Nagar, Andheri West. This is a newly constructed building. This is the lobby area of the building with 2 lifts. At present only 1 lift has been fixed. This is the floor lobby with 5 flats each floor, 2 flat this side, 2 flat on that side and 1 flat in the middle. So this apartment is a massive 900 square feet carpet plus square feet in area, and this living room is L shape where your dining can come on this side and your sofa and living can be on this side. Now 2 bedrooms are on straight. On the left hand side is the kitchen and right is the common washroom area. Now let's see the view. The view from this living room is quite open because you can see the building ahead of us is a little smaller than the height we are standing. So you get an open view from this living space. So full flat is done up with vitrified flooring. This side is the kitchen. Both the side platform is there. Owner will get the modular kitchen cabinets done, so don't worry about that. Also it has a dry balcony where you can keep your washing machine. Inlet and outlet provision has been provided here. However, you can use it for multi-purpose things. So now let's go to the common bathroom. So this common washroom is totally unused. All the new fittings, sanitary wares along with the geyser, everything is there, and it has all imported flooring, wall floors and floor tiles are there. So this is the common bedroom area. It's quite big in size. Also the view here from here is open, and you can keep a king size bed plus a big wardrobe here. Then also the space will be more. The view is totally open as you saw right now. And to know for your information, this flat comes along with 1 allotted car parking. So you don't have to worry about the parking space. It is there in the society compound itself. Now this is the master bedroom, a massive big master bedroom with attached washroom. It is also unused, brand new, all the fittings, sanitary wares, floor tiles, wall tiles, geyser, everything is premium quality. And the view from here you must witness it is totally open view from this flat is totally awesome. Kindly note, this flat is available for rent, not for sale. If you want to rent this property out, check the description box, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more property updates. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.